The 2025 Toyota Suzuki Alto stands as a prime example of practical engineering and urban-friendly design, offering a compact yet efficient driving experience. This collaboration between Toyota and Suzuki has resulted in a vehicle that blends affordability, reliability, and modern features, making it a popular choice for city dwellers and budget-conscious buyers alike. The Alto has maintained its position as an entry-level favorite, and the 2025 model continues to uphold these values with a few key updates to make it even more appealing. One of the most noticeable improvements in the 2025 Alto is its exterior design. While it retains the compact footprint that has always been a hallmark of the model, the new version features sharper lines and a more modern front fascia. The grille has been redesigned to give the car a more dynamic appearance, and the headlights have been updated with a sleeker, angular design that gives the Alto a fresh, youthful look. This redesign not only enhances the car's aesthetic appeal but also improves its aerodynamics, contributing to better fuel efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Alto is surprisingly spacious for a small car. The interior layout has been simplified, with a focus on practicality and ease of use. The dashboard houses a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This allows seamless smartphone integration, making it easier to navigate, stream music, and make hands-free calls. Despite being a budget-friendly vehicle, the cabin materials are surprisingly high quality, with soft-touch plastics and a more refined overall finish. The seats are comfortable and supportive, offering enough space for both front and rear passengers, making it a good choice for those who need to transport more than one person regularly. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto is powered by a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, a powertrain that offers a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers a modest but sufficient amount of power for city driving and short commutes. Although it's not designed for high-speed driving or long highway trips, the Alto performs admirably in urban environments, where its small size and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver through traffic and park in tight spaces. The car's suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing most of the bumps and uneven surfaces typically encountered in city roads. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest selling points of the 2025 Alto. With its small engine and lightweight construction, the car offers exceptional mileage, making it an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their fuel expenses. Whether it's daily commutes or running errands around town, the Alto's efficiency ensures that owners won't be frequently stopping at the pump, which is a key consideration in today's market. Safety has also been enhanced in the 2025 Alto, with the addition of several driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. These safety features provide extra peace of mind, particularly for drivers in busy urban environments. Additionally, the Alto's compact design allows for greater maneuverability in tight spots, while still offering a solid structure that helps protect occupants in the event of an accident. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Suzuki Alto is a solid offering for those looking for a reliable, efficient, and affordable compact car. It may not have the flashiness of more expensive models, but it excels in the areas that matter most: fuel economy, practicality, and ease of use. Whether you're navigating the busy streets of a city or simply looking for a cost-effective daily driver, the Alto delivers a straightforward, no-frills solution that gets the job done.